guys, my name is Keshari. By the way, you can call me Addy, and welcome to my channel, Addy Connection. Today we are going to learn hobbies. So let's start. The first hobby is knitting, and I haven't done knitting. Have you? The next hobby is sewing. My mother has done sewing. I haven't. The next hobby is watching movies. I love to watch movies with my family. The next hobby is cooking, and kids should not cook. Remember that. The next hobby is singing. I love to sing. The next hobby is dancing. I love to dance because I go to my dance class, and when I go to my dance class, I do the best dance. The next hobby is video gaming. I don't like video games. Do you like? The next hobby is reading. I love to read. The next hobby is drawing. I love to draw also. The next hobby is painting, and I love to paint. The next hobby is baking, and I love the cakes that my mother bakes. The next hobby is playing a musical instrument, and I've played only one instrument, guitar. Which one have you played? The next hobby is listening to music. I love to listen to music. The next hobby is karate. And remember, it's not karate, it's karate. The next hobby is boxing. I'm scared to do that because I'm scared of what if I get hurt. The next hobby is astronomy, and I've never done astronomy. Is it fun? The next hobby is meditation, and meditation makes us calm. The next hobby is photography, and when there's nobody to click photos, then I click my mother's and father's photos. The next hobby is yoga, and yoga keeps us fit and flexible. The next hobby is hiking. I've done hiking only once. It's a little dangerous, otherwise it's fine. The next hobby is skateboarding. I've never done skateboarding because I'm a little scared. Are you scared of it? The next hobby is walking, and walking is good for our health. The next hobby is running, and I'm very good at running. The next hobby is archery, and I want to do this. The next hobby is swimming. Earlier I joined a swimming class, now I left it. The next hobby is gardening, and when I grow up, I want to do gardening. Do you? The next hobby is pottery, and I have done pottery only 2 times. How many times have you done it? The next hobby is fishing. I don't fish because I don't want the fish to die. The next hobby is cycling, and I cycle only sometimes. The next hobby is camping. I never went camping. Is it dangerous? I hope you liked my video, and my favorite hobby is dancing. What's your favorite hobby? Like, subscribe and share. Bye.